Checking your transaction history on WorldRemit is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to easily access your past transactions. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the common link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to the dashboard. Once logged in, you will be directed to your account dashboard. Look for the section labeled Transactions or History in the main menu. Step 3. Select Transaction History. Click on the Transaction History option. This will take you to a page where you can view all your past transactions, including details such as dates, amounts, and recipients. Step 4. Filter your transactions. If you need to find a specific transaction, use the filtering options available. You can filter by date range, transaction type, or status to narrow down your search. Step 5. Review transaction details. Click on any transaction to view more details. This will provide you with additional information such as transaction ID, fees, and payment methods used. By following these steps, you can easily check your transaction history on WorldRemit. If you have any questions or need further assistance, consider reaching out to WorldRemit customer support for help.